The stillness of 3 Atlas. Atlas with 3 eyes has stopped moving, or so it seemed. The sighting came without warning, and its implications sent shockwaves through the scientific world. What had once been a brilliant traveler slicing through space, trailing sunlight in glittering arcs, now appeared frozen against the dark field of stars. There was no motion, no drift, just stillness. At first, astronomers thought it was a trick of data, a calibration error, a glitch in tracking software. Yet every system confirmed the same impossible result. The object known as 3 Atlas had stopped moving. Originally, it had been identified as an interstellar visitor, one of the rare few to enter our solar neighborhood. Its path was hyperbolic, destined to brush past the sun and depart forever. Like any active comet, it vented dust and gas, its coma shining faintly, a sign of life and motion. Observers mapped its speed, its emissions, and its course with precision. Everything behaved as expected until the moment it didn't. Suddenly, in multiple observatories and exposures, 3 Atlas no longer shifted position relative to the stars. Its coordinates stayed fixed, defying celestial mechanics. Instruments rotated, telescopes switched filters, and still the comet refused to move. An object in a hyperbolic orbit cannot stop, not in a universe governed by motion. The disbelief was immediate, followed by deep unease. Scientists tore through the data. They checked alignments, exposure times, telescope drives. Every diagnostic returned normal. The stasis persisted. Some speculated it was an illusion, perhaps an artifact of overlapping frames or misaligned star fields. But independent observatories around the globe and in orbit confirmed the same phenomenon. The stillness was real. One possible explanation invoked asymmetric outgassing jets of gas erupting from the comet's surface, counteracting its velocity. But the forces required would be enormous, far beyond any known cometary activity. No changes appeared in the tail. No new spectral signatures emerged. The theory collapsed under its own improbability. Then the discussions grew stranger. Was this truly a comet or an artifact? Could it be interacting with unknown magnetic structures, plasma fields, or even distortions in spacetime itself? Some whispered of dark matter effects, others of propulsion fields unlike anything we understand. Speculation spiraled, while radio telescopes strained to detect movement. Some recorded faint Doppler shifts just within the margin of error, suggesting a slow crawl. Others saw nothing. The contradiction only deepened the enigma. Meanwhile, its nature came under renewed scrutiny. Infrared and spectral data revealed a coma unusually rich in carbon dioxide with minimal water and carbon monoxide. The CO2H2O ratio was one of the highest ever observed, evidence that 3 Atlas was formed in a region far colder and more remote than our own. Perhaps scientists suggested its exotic composition could give rise to thermodynamic effects unknown to us, instabilities or reactions capable of halting motion in ways we can't yet model. Still, no explanation fits. So the mystery endures, a comet or something that once appeared to be one frozen in the sky, unmoving, unyielding. A silent witness to forces we have not yet learned to name.